Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we have here the Sanrio Party Sanrio Characters 2U1 card pack, and inside each pack has 3 cards on them. And for our first card we have Kuromi, and it's a rare card. And for our next one we have Pochako. Like the SSR really looks so nice. Like they really look so great. Like here we have Pomporin, and we have a cinema roll for the rare card. And we have an SR of Pochaco. And for the last card, we have a CR of cinema roll. Thank you for watching everyone. Follow for more.